Animal Environments has been in business for over 25 years and is committed to creating the highest quality environments that will enhance the special relationship between exotic birds and their owners. In this video, we would like to not only show you what it's like to use our cages, but to express the benefits of owning our product. In order to accommodate your type of bird, our cages come in 5 different sizes and 2 different roof styles. The stacker is ideal for owners that have 2 birds with minimal space in their home. We also make cages side by side for breeding or separating birds. Though our latches are considered bird-proof, we can make a stainless steel plate to prevent the cleverest of birds from escaping. The sliding grate and tray make cleaning the cage an easier experience. Our versatile manzanita perches allows you to place the perch almost anywhere inside and outside of the cage with ease. The plexiglass back panel can prevent birds and associated debris from compromising home decor and walls. Grates can be placed at different levels for birds that are young, sick, or injured. Depending on customer preferences, 2 doors can be requested for easier access. No matter what the cage size, we can always make different bar spacing to better accommodate your type of bird. Industrial grade wheels ensure durability and longevity. All of our cages can be put together without tools. However, if the cage is going to be frequently moved around, extra cage support can be customized with either clamps or screws. Aprons save you cleanup time by catching 85% of the debris associated with birds. Customers are given the option to make the apron collapsible for cheaper shipping. Don't compromise your bird's health with inferior imitations. To place an order or obtain more information, call 760-420-0886 or email us at birdcage@animalenvironments.com.